is a lot of noise. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to BMW E90 HQ. So keep this intro real brief. So I installed downpipes on my car yesterday, got ARM downpipes. Fitment was pretty freaking good, no complaints there. Can't go wrong for the price. Didn't record a DIY. This is my second time doing downpipes, and it's just a really hard DIY to film. I mean, it's not the hardest DIY ever. I mean, anyone can do it if you've got patience. If you don't have patience, don't try this. There's not enough space down there if you don't have patience. But, you know, other than that, not too bad. I had my friends Alex and Eddie help me out, so huge shout out to them. If you guys are watching this, thank you very much. So I turned off the cold start because when we started the car, I hadn't tuned it yet. I was still on the stage 1 map, and it was just the loudest car I think I've ever heard in my life. I didn't catch it on video either because it just wasn't filming then. We were just kind of going through it and trying to get the downpipes done as fast as possible. So I went ahead and did the little cold start noise reduction, which is really weird getting in a car that doesn't do a cold start. I've started it like twice when it should do a cold start. I thought about putting it back on, but I mean, I work a corporate job. I don't need my car sounding like a jet when I leave work and stuff. So probably not going to do that, but you know, who knows. Anyway, so let's get some sound clips. So first off, I'm going to do a start and some revs here in the driveway. Then we'll go for a ride and try to get some sound clips. Alright guys, so driving in my car now with the downpipes, as far as exhaust sound is concerned and everything, it doesn't really make that much of a difference inside the car. It is louder, or I mean, I wouldn't even go as far as to say it's necessarily louder. It sounds different, it sounds more raw, and it's definitely a deeper noise, but I don't know if I would necessarily go as far as to say that it is extremely louder. If it is anything, it's the same. That's what I would say. It is definitely deeper. The drone at about 2,500 RPM, I don't know if you can hear that. It's real. On the highway, it's worse. It was just like that before. As far as wastegate rattle, so my friend Eddie's car got pretty bad wastegate rattle when he put downpipes on it. It did tone itself out a little bit, but I didn't get any. I don't hear any wastegate rattle. I hear that kind of engine rattle, injector kind of noise these cars make. I hear that pretty well. And I hear people in my videos constantly talking about wastegate rattle in my car. I don't know what you guys are hearing. I don't know if it's that little flap in the tailpipe that's just like flapping around because it's loose, or if it's the injector noises, or what you're hearing, but I don't have wastegate rattle. I can assure you of that. I do not have wastegate rattle. So let's just go ahead and you know, we'll find somewhere in a little bit. I'll put the windows down where we can hear the exhaust echoing off some buildings. All right, real quick, I'm gonna put the windows down and kind of do a bit of a pull here, so. You see, I don't know if you can, what you can hear over the camera, but that just is a much more like raw sound. I don't know how to explain it. So, currently, my current setup is Catless Downpipes, ARM, to the factory exhaust, to the secondary cats that go to an X pipe and a muffler delete. So no resonator, no muffler. I know some people with downpipes into the factory exhaust. And I think that downpipes into the factory exhaust is a pretty good sound, but I really like the sound of my exhaust. I mean, I think it sounds good now. Like, it's not like before with the stock downpipes and just the X-pipe and muffler delete, I didn't like the way my car sounded. It was just loud and obnoxious. See, that just is, I don't know what you guys can hear on there. I really hope that's coming through. All right, guys, so about to go get some parking deck going on. This is my local convention center's parking deck, and it's Christmas Eve, so hopefully there's nobody in here and we can make some noise. So windows are going down and we're about to go in. All right. Woo, that was a lot of noise. Now I know how people make those sounds in parking decks. All right, one more go. It's not back up in. All right, now let's get out of here before someone calls the cops. Because that was loud. That sounded like a freaking gunshot. So the downpipes make a difference. That wouldn't have happened before with the stock exhaust. So now let's see if between some buildings we can make a bit of racket. There's a police station like right here, so I'm not trying to get a ticket or anything. But I am trying to make some noise too. Ooh, we lost a bit of traction there. All right, guys, well, this concludes my review of the exhaust with the downpipes, you know, my new downpipes added to my exhaust setup. I'll do a full review on what it's like to be driving Stage 2 Plus versus what it was like on the Stage 1 versus the stock and all of that real soon here, but I just wanted to go ahead and get a video out with some sound clips. I know you guys really like the exhaust videos. I mean, they do better than pretty much any other videos I make. So I just really want to get that out for you here before Christmas and everything like that. So I hope every one of you guys enjoys your holiday, has a great time with your family, whatever you're celebrating, it doesn't matter. Just enjoy the time with your family. And yeah, just have a great day. Thank you for watching.